Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we're checking out this Homesuit Bug Zapper, pest free, entertaining. So it tracks and kills mosquitoes, moths, and other flying insects. So for today's video, this is going to be an unboxing and showing you guys what it looks like in our area. Even though it's officially spring, we actually have really rapid changing temperatures, so we don't have many bugs out yet. So I'll show you guys what it looks like lit up, but to actually put it in use, I'm gonna have to do an updated video in the future for you guys. Under here is the cleaning tray. That just simply turns in, so you would place this in and turn it. So that's the cleaning tray underneath there. So they make it nice and simple for that. They have this where you can hang it if you want, or you can just set it down. This is the cable that they provide you guys with. Fairly decent cable. You might need an extension cord depending on the location of your plug. Let's go ahead, plug this in. So here we go. Let's turn out some lights. Oh, that is really cool, guys. This looks really nice. So a bug goes in there. Bzz. Really nice. Keep your fingers away from touching it. Cause that it. Whoa, something went in there. Something zapped. I don't know what though, but something went in there and zapped. Maybe there was a gnat flying around here or something. But I heard it spark. Interesting. Wow. Well, if something, I mean, it sparked. Something was in there. So, definitely got something. I don't know if maybe a gnat or maybe a mosquito was inside our office. But if that's the case, then they are extremely drawn to this. I don't know if you guys heard that snap, but wow. It actually scared me because I wasn't expecting it. Wow. That's really nice. Clearly it works. If it's working indoor, I mean, it must have attracted something. That's awesome, guys. And I love the look. It puts off this really nice glow, and it just looks nice too. Really nice. Very impressive.